How's it going? My name is Gene from DigiFlow. Today we're going to change a body glove filter. This is for the system of either the 1000, 3000, or 12,000. Just letting y'all know you could either use 3000C, 1000C, or 12,000C as they're all interchangeable. Alright, so what you want to do is make sure you have either a towel or a bucket. In this case, you can see the clearance here is pretty low. I don't have much room from the under cabinet to actual filter. So instead of a bucket, we're just going to put some towels. There might be some leakage from the actual system. So just make sure that you have something to cover up your under sink cabinet. And the first step is we want to take out this current filter right now. Make sure that all of your faucets are turned off. Make sure we take this filter out, and it's going to be counterclockwise. If you don't know what counterclockwise is lefty-loosey. And there'll also be arrows in here that will show you the orientation of this filter. And you see there's some drippage right there. And this filter will go out. What you want to do is put it upside down in your sink. We also do recycling. Just reach out to us and we could show you how to recycle it. Now for the 3000C filter, it just goes straight up in here. You can move this and then you'll hear a click, and there you go. Now it's in there, you'll hear a click, and don't forget to run the water faucet for about 5 to 7 minutes continuously so that the system gets flushed out. All right, so if you have a DigiFlow meter for your 12,000, note that this is probably the best way for you to figure out when you have to change out your filter. You could use it for the 12,000C, 1000C, 3000C. You can see it counts down from 1,000 gallons all the way down to 0. That's why I was beeping. If you want to reset it, just make sure you hold down the button right here, and I'll reset back to 1,000 gallons, and there'll be no more beeping.